There we go. So guys, we're here. I thought I'd do like a little rundown of what the ST has got done to it, basically. I think I got myself a bit of a bargain. I said to you guys, oh, I got a bargain, yes. But didn't really go through the spec. So the spec, as we are right now. So as you can see, we've got these Sparco Sprint seats with brand new TSR TRS harnesses, and they're literally like brand new. I think they was put in 2020. Then we've also got some nice what are they called? Track car door cards from Track car door cards, you know, they're quite nice. We've got them in the front and we've got them in the back with the yellow pulls. They look smart. To be fair, I put the interior, some of the interior bits back in the car this weekend. Didn't film it because I just thought, who wants to see some fat man put some carpet in a Focus ST? I mean, yeah, so I just didn't film it. But we got the door cards, and I was like, do I put the original door cards back on or do I keep these? And I thought, well, I'm going to use this to track anyway, so it's a bit of weight saving, and they look quite smart, to be fair, so we're going to keep them. Going on to the centre console, like, I've never had an ST3, and look at the carbon, like this actually finishes it off really nice, to be fair. Because I never had that. I just had that basic black, and like getting in this, and I was just like, whoa, this is quite smart, you know. So I got all your apps and stuff like that. You got navigation on there, like your Bluetooth, everything. You even got a calculator. I don't know how that works, but yeah, there's a calculator on the screen. It's literally pretty mental, and I was like pretty impressed with that. So they're all nice touches. Yeah, in the glove box we've got some leads coming down. Don't know what they're for just yet. I've got to try and strut that out. Oh, got that. Also we've got like a lap timer down there, so that's quite handy. So also in here we've got the famous short shift link. It is done by JW Racing. I don't know if any of you have heard of that, but you normally hear of the different branded ones, don't you? But I've not heard of that brand, so we've got that in here. That pretty much is it for the inside, to be honest. It's quite a nice place to be. It's got like a black headlining, which I 100% rate because I just think it's nice. It's very nice. It's all dark and enclosed, very nice. The seats are nice, the harnesses are nice, the dash is nice, the steering wheel is fucking massive. Shout out to, I can't remember, in the comments who said get a steering wheel on it. That will probably come if I can, yeah, if I can be bothered. Other than that, inside very nice, happy, very good, and we've only done, let me just double check, we've only done okay, this is weird, 78,000 miles. 78. I know, it's fucking low. So we've got that. But anyway, we're going to move on to the outside, have a little butchers, and we'll go through like the engine modifications, and we'll go from there. Right, so first things first, shall we start with these bad boys? And I mean bad boys because they are probably the most unreal brakes I've ever experienced in a car. They're 6-pot APs. Oh god, did I say that right? 6-pot AP Racing caliper brakes. They are amazing, honestly, because I used to own a Mark II Focus ST before, and the brakes were shocking. They faded, they was horrible, and I remember some people said change the fluid to 5.1, change the pads, blah blah blah. Done all that, they were still shit, I'm not gonna lie. They was just horrendous. You'd hit a few bends and they start warming up, and you'd be heading for that ditch. But these are on another level. They are, honestly, I can recommend them all day long. They are so fucking sharp. They don't fade out, and yeah, they're just the absolute bollocks. They are the ones with the 362mm discs. They are just absolute nuts. Highly recommend them. Yeah, another touch. That's what I couldn't believe. Got them on here as well. So yeah, win-win. Oh hiya, you join me down here on the floor next to my Focus ST3, yeah. Oh yeah. Right, under here, that was a little bit gay, wasn't it? Under here, as you can see, look at this. Brand new Bliston B4 coilovers. Literally amazing, yes. They were fitted, oh let me just get up because it's a bit uncomfortable. They were fitted on this last month, I think they were. He was running the Gas Gold coilovers, but I think he said he went over a pothole or something that was a little bit old and one of them snapped or something happened to him. So he upgraded to the Bliston B4 height adjustable and that. Yeah, I can't fault the suspension. This thing handles unreal, honestly. It is sat on some 19-inch OZ Racing alloys, which I'm not a fan of. I feel like they're just sort of replicating a Focus RS, but we are running some AD08 RS tyres, and let me tell you, it sticks. It does. So yeah, that's suspension, brakes, wheels. What more do you want? What more do you want for your money? Oh, I didn't mention, look at this bad boy, genuine carbon fibre Focus RS bonnet. Little bit naughty, hey? Little bit naughty. Got some proper buoyed up old racing pins here. Not a massive fan. I mean, I don't know if you saw in the previous video, we had some smoked tail lights. They had to go. I'm not about that, not really. It's a bit too much. Also this black strip, if anyone wants it, come get it, because I want that gone as well. Yeah, then oh my god, fucking dragonfly. Oh, fucking hell. Exhaust. We are running a full Magnex catback exhaust system. It's rather quiet. It's definitely track friendly, but we've also got on there here, come to me, a Mount Tune Sports Cat and a Mount Tune's downpipe, which are 3 inches. It's not a lot to say about the exhaust system. It's like, it's very quiet, it's very tame, and I feel like I'm not one to like a massively loud exhaust, but it definitely needs a fucking better note than what it's got because it's too quiet. I feel like I want to hear them little pops and little bangs and little burbles and that. So yeah, I think that is it. So we've got wheels, we've got 6-pot brakes, we've got the new headlights, exhaust, we've got some MSRT mud flaps down there. Can't say I'm a massive fan of them either. Terrible, isn't it? Got this shit carbon fibre wrap that probably will come off. We've got a little Maxton design lip on that, and I hate Maxton. Maxton, I hate you. Yeah, don't like them, so fuck you, Maxton. Got some nice wind deflectors, nice little bit of carbon wrap on the mirrors. Look at this, yeah, lovely job, yeah, lovely. Anyway, shall we open this bad boy bonnet and see what we've got behind it? So this is where the magic happens, guys. I mean, we've got the bad boy Mount Tune cast alloy plenum. That's got to be worth a couple quid, isn't it? Then we've got, I think it's an AirTech crossover, which goes into a K&N panel filter, which is very, very rare. You don't see panel filters on ST225s. You normally see a fat off ram air intake just there. So that's what we've got going on there. It's running, what else is it running? You have to bear with me because I haven't done any of these modifications and I'm just trying to remember what's been done. So here we've got the Mount Tune plenum, K&N panel filter with the AirTech crossover, and it's running, I think it's running a Pro alloy. I don't know if it's a stage 2 or a stage 3, but I'd imagine it's going to be a stage 2 because I don't think you have to run a stage 3 on these for power, because a stage 2 will cope up to 500 brake plus. That's what I've heard. So yeah, don't quote me on that, but that is what I've heard. So I think we're running a Pro alloy front mount intercooler stage 2 This has got the Untitled 290 package on it, but I do have graphs at home with it running 308 brake, and then I have another graph of it running 324 brake. It's had the black mod. It's had the block mod done by Matt Lewis Motorsport also. It has tons of receipts, like literally we're talking next level. Like I've got 2 folders full of receipts, full of old MOTs, everything, you name it. The history with this car is unbelievable. It runs sweet as a nut. It's had regular services, regular brake changes, everything. Like it is pretty mince, and yeah, as you can see, it looks clean, it looks untouched as such, and yeah, it's a decent buy, guys, decent buy. Oh, let me shut that for now. So I had to shut the bonnet because I couldn't do one hand and film that. So going on to transmission, and that, it is running the Focus RS clutch and all the supporting bits around that area. It's also got a Quaife, an ATB differential. Oh, I don't know if I've said that right. So it's a Quaife ATB differential. It's got one of them anyway, do you know what I mean? Let me just go through some of this. Mount tune, uprated recirculating valve. Oh god. Engine stabilizer bracket, Graham Code Racing. Oh, it's just, the list goes on and on and on. It's just got quite a lot done to it, guys. Oh, pardon me. It's got 2 keys, you know. It's got some AirTech race toe straps, which I took off because they looked fucking atrocious. It's upgraded spark plugs. It's got front and rear suspension struts. How could I forget? That was under the bonnet, we could have seen that. We've got a kill wiper delete, as you can see at the back. We're running EBC blue pads on the front. I think we've pretty much touched base on a lot of it, but you get the picture. It's got a lot of modifications for not a lot of, I haven't paid a great deal for it, but the plans going forward with this absolute naughty Focus ST3, oh yeah, the plans oh god, it's proper gay. So that is pretty much the spec of the Focus ST3. And then you might ask me, what am I going to be doing with the car? Well, pretty much not a lot. I mean, I'm just going to buoy it down a little bit because it was very much buoyed up. But going forward with the car, I don't really want to try and push for any more BHP, because it just means I'd have to go down the RS turbo route, probably. RS injectors and blah, blah, blah. Probably could do that quite cheap, to be fair, because everything else has sort of been done and it's got a good base. But at this moment in time where I'm thinking I'm not going to do a lot with it. I'm just going to drive it. I've got a few track days lined up. We've got one in August with my old man. I'm going to take it around the track with him. I'm just going to drive it, enjoy it for like probably a couple months as it is. Saying that, I probably will get a map on it, because the Untitled 290 map is proper dog shit. It's linear. It feels like there's not a rush of boost that comes. Yeah, it's weird. We'll go for a drive in a second. I'll sort of try and show you what I mean. I've lost where I was, but yeah, not going to be doing a great deal with this. Got some plans going down later on, like probably in a good couple months. Once we're done with this, I have a plan and a car in mind, and hopefully we'll go down that, but I'm not going to say no more. But this is sort of like a stopgap, just to have some fun in, do some track days in it, and yeah, just have fun basically. Have some fun, and we're gonna have some fun tonight. So that's pretty much it really. I mean, I will do a pod video drive so you can get sort of a better feel of what it was. And we'll run through a few more bits with it and that, and we'll do a few more bits, get a few more videos out there. I do need to up my game. I have been a little bit slacking as such lately. It's literally purely down to just moving house and stuff like that, and not having enough time and just rushing through videos. And yeah, I need to up my game. I need to make my content a little bit better. I need to edit a little bit better. I know what I'm doing wrong, so just bear with me, and hopefully we will progress together. But if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe. Catch you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.